By the looks of it, we now need... Okay. This is the galactic map. And now we need to go to another sector, that it's the Vela sector. Let's warp there. In the meantime, probably we'll now change to Clank. Yep.
Hello? Ah, I'm sorry! I was only trying to help! Back up! Don't make me use force! Weapon!
You are the robot who assisted me in my escape from Nefarious. What is your name?
My name? Yes, of course. Sigma 0426A. But you can call me Sigmund. I'm junior caretaker here at the Great Clock.
Forgive me, but what is the Great Clock?
Oh dear! We're late! Come! We don't have a lot of time! Figuratively speaking, of course.
Where is everyone?
Let's go.
I'm not really sure. Nefarious and his troops just picked up and left after that butler guy tossed you into the hall. Not a very pleasant lot, are they?
No, not very pleasant at all. May I ask what the purpose of this facility is?
This place? Oh, this is the universe's great... Oh, no! Oh, come on! Stupid hypersonic brainwave scrambler. People wonder why we keep this place a secret.
In this game, probably I won't be talking as much as in the Ratchet Clank games. Not because I don't want to, but if I remember right, this game has a lot... The characters talk a lot during gameplay. So I don't really want to talk when they're talking. So I'll probably be more silent in this playthrough.
Access denied. Senior personnel only.
Hello.
Open your optical drive. This is senior personnel. I'm with XJ0461. While you're unconscious, I took the liberty of installing a quantum actuator into your circuitry. It allows you to create multiple selves.
Multiple selves?
How else would we get anything done around here? Just record your actions using the time pads and initiate them while the present you moves on to do other things. Time pads can be a little tricky. Let me show you how they work.
So it's tutorial time.
First, stand on the time pad. Then, initiate temporal recording. Now I'll just open the door and end temporal recording. Now, when I start recording on the second pad... Look, sir, that's me! Now all I have to do is wait for me to open the door for myself. Ta-da! Now I can get through the door. Pretty sweet, huh? Go ahead, sir. Give it a try.
So this is pretty simple to understand how it works. Can get kind of tricky a bit later on, but nothing out of the world. I mean, there are some puzzles that are really hard.
An ingenious security device. Did you design it?
Are you kidding? Orvis was the smart one. Time pads will also let you record over your past selves. That way you can do everything they did and more. First, initiate recording and open that chamber door. Then, while the chamber is open, end recording. Next, we'll start recording on the second time pad. When your past self opens the chamber, step inside and open the door. Now, end recording. Okay, here's the tricky part. Since the past self holding the door open is inside the chamber, You'll have to re-record over your other self in order to exit. Open the chamber to let your past self in. Then, when he opens the exit, you're free to go. Give it a try, sir.
This one is also simple.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Brilliant, sir. Follow me. Orvis was right. You're gonna do just fine. Race you to the mnemonic chamber. Oh, come on. I just fixed that. Here we are. So, are you ready to meet Orvis?
I am ready.
Access granted. Welcome to Mnemonic Station Beta.
Ta-da!
Where is Orvis?
He's in your head, of course. Locked away on a secret partition in your memory banks. Dr. Nefarious spent over a year trying to hack in. I have to deactivate your neural safeguards and send you into your own subconscious. Hop in.
And let's enter the mnemonic station.
Hello, XJ0461, and welcome to your subconscious. I am Orvis, and I've been anticipating your return for quite some time.
I do not understand. Have I been here before?
You didn't think your soul came from a robot factory, did you? I created you. Oh, you must have a lot of questions, but first, I have a present for you. Off we go. We have lots to do if you're going to
And
take
this
over
is the
my
Chrono
work.
scepter, I
Are
think.
you really my father?
No, my dear boy.
From now on,
I
it
am
will
a
be Clank's
program,
weapon.
A digital simulation of the real Orvis, installed the day you were born in Solana. But don't worry, I know all his old jokes. Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That Chrono scepter can be used to create time bombs. Try using them to get across to the other side. Bravo, XJ0461, bravo! Each bomb contains enough quantum energy to slow down time for just a few moments. Quantum energy is quite unstable, so only one bomb may be thrown at a time.
Probably already said it, but since I can't hear anything, we can only have time stopped for a limited time and only one at a time, so you must be careful with those.
If you come across a broken object, simply strike it with your Chrono scepter. It should reverse back to the way it was. Go on, give it a try.
Sorry about taking a bit, but I had hair in my ear again.
XJ0461, you're doing quite well. Now, on to lesson 2.
What is lesson 2? Temporal manipulation
It
via
really
faster than
tickles my
light
ear and I
particle
really
acceleration.
hate that.
Actually, I'm going to teach you how to hit things with a big stick. From time to time, various creatures find their way into the clock. A good caretaker protects the equipment at all costs.
Yes, but what does the equipment do?
All in good time, my son. Now, think of someone you wouldn't mind bonking on the head. Perhaps a buffoon who has made life difficult for you in the past? Wonderful! But you can do better than that. Good form, my son. Now, do as the kids say and lay the smack down. I think you're ready for a bit more. You're doing good. Keep going. Just a few left.
Slow-mo kill.
Well done. You certainly cleaned their clocks. Did you see what I did there? Oh my. You've done wonderfully, my son. I know you're going to take good care of this place.
But where will you be? This is your facility.
No, my dear boy, it's your facility. The great clock and everything in it, I now leave to you. Watch over it and protect it. Fulfill your destiny, XJ0461. Program terminated.
Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard.
Sigmund, what happened to the real Orvis?
He said it's a secret. And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Yes, sir. Come on. We have an orientation room that will tell you everything you need to know about the Great Clock. It's also great for watching cartoons.
We can repair broken things in the clock with this scepter.
Watch out, sir! Terratropes! Terratropes are nasty little creatures. They feed on quantum energy, so they can see your past selves. Lousy hypersonic brain. Nicely done, sir. I would have helped you out, but I'm not exactly what you'd call a fighter. Looks like the hollow bridge is out. You may have to find another way across. Your past selves can throw time bombs too. Just remember, only one can exist at a time. It's for your own safety.
We have, I think, a skill point for restoring 5 broken objects.
Shoo! I said shoo! Be gone! Vamos! Disappear!
Temporal recording initiated.
Terratropes! Keep them away from your past self!
We still have some time, so we might restore some things here.
You're getting pretty good at this, sir. I hate you, hypersonic brainwave scrambler, and I'm coming for you. Not now, mind you, but soon, after I take karate lessons, well, I'm just saying you're on my list, pal.
Temporal
Sigmund,
recording
I believe
initiated.
it is gone.
That's right, run away.
Temporal recording initiated.
Whoa, even Orvis had trouble with that one once.
I kinda know some puzzles, so that's why. Not that that one was hard, but I kinda knew how to solve it.
Conduit repaired.
Ah, crud, this one looks like a doozy. Computer, can you shut down the gears in Sector 3?
Negative. But I will cross my fingers for you. Initiate.
Wait, no.
Stupid, sarcastic, outdated
Scratch
piece
that, I'm going
I
to
have
start again.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Unauthorized sonic device has breached monitoring station Zulu.
What the hell, dude?
That was incredible! You should have your own theme music, sir.
Might be wrong, but I think it's
Trail
boss
behind you
time.
be all like, caretaker.
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device on approach.
Sir, watch out! It's the Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device in Sector 3.
Here it comes!
Your time has come, Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler. Let us dance.
Yeah!
Okay.
Kick his butt, sir! Watch out, sir! Terror tropes!
Ah, damn it.
Stupid
That
Brainwave
was
Scrambler.
stupid
Do you
as
know
hell.
who you're messing with? That's XJ0461, senior caretaker of the Great Clock!
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
Hit him! Kick him! Use Kung Fu on him! Watch out, sir! He's using a sonic burst emitter!
I'm committing some stupid mistakes. Oh well. It's done.
One Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler scrambled.
That was amazing, sir! You think you could show me how to fight like that one day?
Let's try this again! Night of the Living Squishies, Act 3, Scene 4. Ready on set?
I should never have quit dental school.
And action! You'll never take me alive, Quack. Time is under my control!
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
Silly me, sir. I just thought it prudent to tell you Clank is en route to the Orvis chamber. Sir.
Splendid! The moment we've been waiting for is now. Now, if there's nothing else to discuss.
There is one small matter.
I don't have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
I know, Lance. I was in that tribe of gypsy ninjas.
They cannot be allowed to meddle in our plans! Track them down and annihilate them!
Very good, sir. In the meantime, might I suggest engaging the safety so as not to kill any more troops?
It's not even loaded, you moron! Look! Next!
Poor guys.